Cancer as a form of parasitic disease is actually an old idea, originally proposed by early microbiologists. They considered the idea self-evident from their microscopic observations of cancer cells. On December 3, 1890, the Scottish pathologist William Russell reported a cancer microbe seen under his microscope inside cancer cells. His report in the December 18, 1890, British Medical Journal included detailed drawings describing parasitic spores within cancer cells. Since that time, Dr. Russell's hypothesis that cancer is a parasitic disease has been picked up and championed by a long list of impressive scientists. However, all were labeled medical heretics and lived out their careers in obscurity. 100 years ago, the Scottish biologist John Beard noted that cancer cell behavior was similar to that of the trophoblast cells of the placenta. In 2007, Dr. C. Ferretti et al. Reported on the striking similarity of the proliferative, migratory, and invasive features of both cancer and trophoblast cells, which use similar molecular cell pathways with activation of the PI3K/AKT axis to achieve their goals. Dr. Ferretti et al. Write an overview of molecular circuitries shared by trophoblast and cancer cells reveals that the activation of the phosphatidylinositol 3 kinase PI3K/AKT axis has recently emerged as a central feature of signaling pathways used by these cells to achieve their proliferative, migratory, and invasive processes. The placenta invades the surrounding uterine tissues and hijacks blood vessels to form its own blood supply. Remember, one of the 10 hallmarks of cancer is angiogenesis, the ability to develop new blood vessels. The developing embryo is an implanted organism that, loosely speaking, can be described as parasite by virtue of its reliance on the mother's blood supply for nutrition. Is cancer a placental cell gone haywire? A few of the speakers at the meeting raised this question. More recently, authors have described cancer as its own parasitic species. Whether cancer is a parasitic disease or something else is yet to be determined. In the meantime, the study of parasitic disease affords us an opportunity to better understand cancer biology.